Starbucks, Mitsui, Sumitomo, KLab. I loved Sailor Moon when I was little. Hi everyone, welcome to DMFA Digital Marketing for Asia. My name is Joanna and I am a marketing manager working here at SoftBank Telecom Europe. In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 LINE case studies and tell you how brands in Japan use LINE and LINE official account to run successful marketing campaigns. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel. And I actually have a question. If there is a topic that you would like us to cover, whether it is about marketing in Japan, digital marketing in general, or maybe you want to know something more about Japan itself, please make sure to leave the comment down below and we will try to make a video on this topic as well. Let's go! So we are going to discuss 3 successful marketing campaigns from 3 different industries. So I'm going to talk about food and beverage, finance, and gaming. Let's start with a bank and talk about Mitsui Sumitomo. Mitsui Sumitomo Banking Corporation Group is a Japanese multinational banking and financial services institution headquartered in Tokyo. The group operates in retail, corporate, and investment banking segments worldwide. Mitsui Sumitomo did something quite revolutionary within their industry, and they did something that has never been done before. They first opened their LINE official account in April of 2019. They wanted to use LINE and various services offered by LINE to increase their communication with customers and increase their online presence. By the way, we spoke about LINE official account and how you can set it up in our video previously, so please make sure to check this out as well if you want to know more. So yeah, they opened their official LINE account in 2019, and fast forward in 2021, they launched a mini app in collaboration with LINE. So basically, it was the first app of this kind in the financial industry. So the app is called VPass, and it allows users to link their Mitsui Sumitomo bank ID with LINE account. So basically, you don't need a separate application to perform your banking inquiries and operations. You can do everything through the LINE app, so you don't need to have another login. You don't have to download anything. So this is just very convenient. It turned out that this strategy was very successful. Within the first week of the app being launched, the number of linked IDs increased 8 times. The second company I would like to talk about is Starbucks. Everybody knows Starbucks. Everybody loves Starbucks. What's your Starbucks order? What's your just latte? I'm also just I only drink like soya latte or oat latte. So Starbucks is well known and loved in Japan. The Seattle coffee giant has been very successful in implementing localization strategies and utilizing the native marketing channels. When Starbucks combined their forces with LINE back in 2019, they released LINE Starbucks Card. They reached 1 million users within just 2.5 months. Currently, the Starbucks LINE official account has over 8.1 million friends. So we already mentioned before that online, you can collect friends. People can become friends with your business. So it's similar to have like followers or subscribers, but just online. Users are called friends. And then when users become friends with your business, you can contact them directly through messaging. You can run LINE exclusive promotions. So it is very important to like create the community online, and then you can reach even more people and possibly get new customers as well. The vice president of Japanese Starbucks, he delivered a speech during the recent LINE Biz Summit. He expressed how crucial it is for Starbucks to use LINE in further expansion into the Japanese market. So similarly to the Mitsui Sumitomo app, when you have the LINE Starbucks app and LINE Starbucks card, you don't need a separate application. You can order your favorite Starbucks drinks straight from your LINE account. Also customize your order, and the app is suggesting you like popular choices and add-ons and stuff like this. So apart from drinks, you can also customize your card. You can it's like a card you have on your phone, and you can put some cute LINE characters and stuff like this to make it all pretty. And ordering through a mobile app has many benefits. So first of all, it is really good when you're in a rush, and before you get to Starbucks, you can already order your drink, and then when you get there, it's already ready. it's already waiting for you. So you can save time, you can skip the queue. And then it also allows baristas and staff working at Starbucks to have more time to engage with the customers who are at the counter, who are actually, ordering in the traditional way. So the benefits are on both sides. On top of that, the Starbucks reward system is also connected with the Line app. So, I think here in the UK, we also have a Starbucks app, and you can scan it when you order and you can collect like kind of stamps. Or before we used the stamp cards as well, but now it's in the app. And in Japan, you don't need a separate app, you don't need a separate card. You can do everything through the Line. So even if you order through Line, you can still collect the stamps or stars and you can get points. And as we mentioned before, Japan is a loyalty scheme and stamp card country, so it is yet another incentive for people to become friends with Starbucks' Line official account and to order through the app as well. And last but definitely not least, let's talk about the gaming industry. KLab provides high-quality mobile online games designed and developed in-house, both in Japan and overseas. Their mission, as it says on their website, is creating a world of excitement. KLab's main goal when they were using Line to advertise was to, they were releasing a new game. They wanted to get as many users to download the game as soon as it was released. So that was their main goal. And they also wanted to improve direct communication with their customers. In order to do so, they decided to use Line stickers. So back in 2017, they were just about to release their new game, which is called Captain Tsubasa Dream Team, which is like a football simulation mobile game. In order to have as many people download the game, they decided to do kind of like a pre-release promotion, and they were offering free stickers if you registered, like kind of pre-registered to download the game before it was even released. And I think the results were just mind-blowing, and they were way bigger than they anticipated because they managed to gather 2.3 million pre-registered users before the game was even released. That's a very good result. Yeah, even in Poland, I think we had, when I was very young, we had Sailor Moon, Dragon Ball, and Captain Tsubasa as well. Yeah, I loved Sailor Moon when I was little. So yeah, those were the 3 different Line campaigns and Line strategies we wanted to talk about to show you how you can use your Line official account and features available on Line official account to reach new customers and run successful digital marketing campaigns. Just to remind you, DMFA, we are a part of the SoftBank Group, and we offer digital marketing services for Line. So as usual, I'm going to put a link to the contact form in the description down below. So if you have any questions, just please make sure to get in touch and we can support you with opening the Line official account and setting up the Line ad account as well. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, Line has a lot to offer, and there are a lot of different ways in which you can use its features to connect with customers and run successful marketing campaigns. I think there is a lot of creative ways in which you can use Line. Like, you don't only have to do like traditional ads. You can use stickers, you can create a mini app. There is so many options available. So I think this is, as we mentioned before, this is a very powerful tool that a lot of brands, not only Japanese brands, but overseas brands like Starbucks, for example, utilize on a daily basis. What do you think about Line? What do you think about Line ads? And do you agree that this is one of the best ways to advertise in Japan? Please make sure to leave the comment down below. I would like to hear your opinion and get the conversation going. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much again, and I will see you again very, very soon in the next video. Bye! So yeah, okay.